Hello, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Rose Allen ng Isabela. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan. Okay, ito na po ang inyong unit, ma'am. The Double Bell John Wick 4 Pit by for gas blowback airsoft. Okay, so this is the IPESC version High Kappa 5.1. Comes with the gun case. So, ayan. Okay, this is the Pit Viper John Wick 4. Okay, then may free na siyang gas, number 12. And yung request nyo po na instead of 0.20, 0.23 na yung kasama. Ayan, ma'am. Request granted. Okay, 4,000 shots. Tabi na natin. So, ito na po, Ma'am Rose, ang inyong Pit Viper. Ayan po. The John Wick 4 comes with the cleaning rod, extra loading nozzle, the John Wick Continental card, the John Wick gold coin, and the unit, of course. So, ayan po. May mga factory oil pa siya, bagong-bago. Ayan. Pit Viper. Okay, naka-fiber optic sight na siya. Front. Ayan. Fiber optic sight front. Rear sight. Standard sight, adjustable. So, adjustable po siya. Ayan, yung elevation and windage. So, kung medyo hindi sabihin na natin paling yung tama, so na-adjust po yan. So, yung part niya yan yung windage, and this part is the elevation or the up and down and the left and right. Ayan. Okay? Pit Viper. Ayan. Taran Tactical Innovation. This is the Double Bell brand. So, mayroon siyang manual safety. Ayan. Manual safety. Up for safe, down for fire. Up for safe, down for fire. Okay, up for safe. Okay, safe. Ambidextrous ready. So, ibig sabihin, both side meron siya. So, kung left-handed kayo, left-handed friendly siya. Ayan, both side meron yan. Sabay po yan. Okay. Check natin. Okay, working. And down for fire. Okay. Now, check naman natin yung beaver tail. Ito ang beaver tail. Extended beaver tail. Ayan, beaver tail safety po ang tawag dyan. Okay, so once hindi siya nadidiinan, kahit kalabitin nyo po, ayan, pag hindi nyo siya nadidiinan, kahit kalabitin nyo po yung gatilyo or yung trigger, hindi rin siya puputok. Yes, as you can see po. Pag diniinan ko siya, ayan, ayan, okay. So, automatic, pag hinawakan nyo, sir, Ma'am Rose, pag hinawakan nyo po, automatic yan, lumulubog, automatic nadidiinan po yan. So, kailangan nakagrip talaga kayo dyan. Okay? Yan. Okay. Then, yung sight niya ay may 2 white dots. May 2 white dots na siya. Yan. Okay, so rear sight. Then, the magazine is with the markings of Combat Master. Yan. 30 rounder capacity po ito. Okay, so lagyan na natin ng BBs. Okay, Ma'am Rose. Yan, lagyan ko siya na ng 10 rounds. Ngayon, lagyan naman natin ng gas. Okay, check ko lang po yung inyong gas tank kasi minsan may mga tanke na hindi nagkakarga eh. So, check lang natin kung nagkakarga to. So, ito, wala pang lamang green gas. Yan. Pag ito kasi napipindot nyo yan, malambot. Itong part na to, ibig sabihin walang pressure. So, pag nilagyan natin ngayon yan ng gas, titigas yun, magkakaroon na siya ng pressure sa loob. So, may laman na. So, ganito pong paglalagay ng gas, no? Inverted position. So, ganito po. Pwede rin ganito ang hawak nyo. Yan. So, kailangan yung magazine, nakapatiwarik yung magazine. Yan, inverted position yung magazine. And then, yung gas naman, pa ganito. No? Hindi pwedeng pa ganyan. So, nagkakarga pa ganyan. Pa ganyan. Hindi pwedeng pa ganyan. Nasa ibabaw yung magazine. Hindi pwede. Dapat nasa ilalim yung magazine. Ayan. Tapos, pasok nyo lang yung loading nozzle dito sa valve. Yan. Then, iwasan nyo rin po yung diin ng diin kasi baka tumalsik yung rubber. Yung o-ring. Okay, isang diin lang. 3 segundo. Yan. Once na nakatutok na siya, tsaka mo siya didiinan. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 segundo lang. Okay na po. Ayan. So, ingatan lang natin yung kasi yung o-ring kasi na yan, maliit lang yan, baka tumalsik. Ingatan lang natin. Huwag lang diin ng diin. Okay, 3 lang. 3 segundo lang. Okay, so loaded na siya with gas, loaded na rin siya with BBs. Okay, so before natin siya i-chronograph, yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda si Pit Viper by Double Bell. Ayan. Trend Tactical Innovation. So, this is Double Bell brand. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan po. Yung thread niya, yung barrel niya, walang thread yan. Para sa suppressor sana or tracer units, wala siya. Pero pwede mo siyang lagyan ng flashlight, laser, extended na yung railing niya. Extended yung railing. Ayan. Okay, Ma'am Rose. I-chronograph test natin. So, makikita natin kung ilang EPS po ito. Okay? So, set lang natin yung chronograph. Ito yung chronograph natin. Ayan. Okay, so ngayon tingnan natin kung ilang EPS yan. Okay, Ma'am Rose of Isabela. So, i-chronograph test natin kung ilang EPS po itong John Wick 4 Pit Viper by Double Bell. So, ayan, nakaset na yung ating chronograph. Okay, so check lang natin kung ilang EPS. Firing. Okay, naka-save pala. Okay, firing. 320.7. Okay. 316.1. Okay, 320.7 yung maximum EPS niya. Okay, so ngayon, proceed tayo, Ma'am Rose, sa rapid fire. Okay, Ma'am Rose Allen of Isabela, shoot tayo ng inyong John Wick 4 Pit Viper by Double Bell. Okay? So, nakakasa na to kanina. So, continue lang natin. Okay? Firing. Okay, open slide. So, ibig sabihin, nag-open chamber na yan. Ibig sabihin, wala na pong bala. Just release the magazine. And then, ito po, itong part nito, atakin nyo lang. Yan, pull back ng konti. Tapos, itong slide stop, slide release. Teka, zoom lang natin. I-focus lang natin. Yan. Atakin nyo lang ng konti ito. Pull back nyo lang yung slide. Yan. Then, ito, slide stop, slide release, baba nyo lang, press down, or push down, and then, release. Okay, then, hammer down. Okay, Ma'am Rose Allen of Isabela. Thank you po for choosing 5th generation Hobby Shop. If you have more question, message lang sa aming page, 5th generation Hobby Shop. Thank you po and God bless.